Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove backgrounds with Cleanup.Pictures. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open Cleanup.Pictures. So once you tap it open, you need to simply go and tap here to load your picture. So once you have loaded a picture of yours, you can simply try like with the SD1 or try 3 days for free. After this, you can simply brush over the background which you want to clear. So as I want to clear this background, I'm going to touch it and tap on the clean option. Once this is done, you need to wait for the processing. The AI will automatically process and regenerate the background as you paint. Now, once you're finished, download the cleaned up image. For the free version, will export it up to 720p. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.